All right. What's up, Facebook, YouTube? And hold on, let me bring up the chat real quick. Oh my goodness, I can't remember what widget I use for my chat. My multi-chat, let's see. Oh yeah, it's StreamerBot. Right there. Oh, not Steam, bro. Oh my goodness. My goodness. StreamerBots. I need to make sure I pin this as well. Where'd it go? Yo, 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 what's up, everybody? How is y'all doing? Let's get the chat up and running. Let's stream to vertical. And also to TikTok. Oh, I forgot to change. Oh, whatever. Still getting into the flow of this. Let's just make sure that we're good. Well, low-key just exposed some of my stream key, but oh well. Oops. What is everyone up to? Oh my goodness. This video is blowing up on TikTok right now. I gotta keep the momentum up, ladies and gentlemen. Let's make sure we're excuse me, actually streaming to TikTok. I need to grab my other phone real quick. And I also need to pull up YouTube. Just to make sure that everything is... Oops. Oh my goodness. Okay, cool. We are live. I need to change the thumbnails and all this other nonsense, but we're not going to worry about that right now. So let me pull up the stream over here so I can monitor it. All right. Connection's good. Beautiful. Let me go to the other one. All right. gonna mute that for a sec. Just let that play. Ooh. Let's make sure that this is actually going live. Sorry guys, just making sure that I do everything I need to on this end. Now let's see if we're good on TikTok. All right, cool. We are on TikTok. Ooh, wait, hold up. Sorry, TikTok. I've left you kind of astray. Give me one moment. One moment. I gotta activate the TikTok chat. Make sure this works. All right, let's see. Testing 1, 2, 3. Okay. We got. It's incredibly small though. Let me make that bigger. Cool. That looks good. All right, and then yeah, that should look good on. Oh, what's up, Amy? Welcome, welcome, everybody. Let me just test YouTube real quick, or the other platform. Testing. Beautiful, beautiful. And then lastly, the other platform. I gotta use code words because TikTok is not very friendly with other platforms. The mentioning of other platforms, I should say. Alright, so the blue platform is still having some difficulties. Excuse me. Oh my goodness, I'm going to have to get into the flow of this. It's taking forever. Sorry, guys. My apologies. All right, we need to get this show going. All right, audio's good. All right, just had to be sure, you guys. Just had to be sure. So now, lastly, let's just make this needs to work. Not working. Why isn't it working? Okay. So the blue platform is a pain in the ass because I need to create a stream key every single time. Okay, we're good. All right. Live. Oh my goodness. All right. One last confirmation before we get into this. All right. Yeah, we're looking good. We're looking good. Beautiful. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, one last thing. Just got to test this. Testing 1, 2, 3, or 1, 2, 4. Interesting. Okay. Gotta troubleshoot a little bit more. Sorry, not sorry. I need to get this right. Okay. So it seems I can't have the blue platform. All right. But this is trustworthy. You are professional. I think it's kind of spam. Are you a bot? I appreciate it, but this is trustworthy. What an interesting thing to say. Alright. It may be problematic to stream on the blue platform because I'm getting flagged for copyright because I'm playing my music on the stream. But anyway, I guess we'll just end it there. I'll deal with that later. So anyways, oh my goodness, my apologies, you guys. Taking forever, I know. So with that in mind, let's just get going. First and foremost, I need to create some slop. I need to create some slop because here we have some videos. My computer will stop losing its mind. We got some tubby people. Let's see with this one here. This one's at like 150K right now on TikTok. Let me mute that because 150K. This thing is going parabolic. So we need to create more stuff like this. We need to create more stuff like this. Stuff that's just so ridiculous. Yeah. What's up? Raven Starfire. Teen Titans, huh? Raven Starfire. I like that. So yeah, this one that I just had up is at 150K on TikTok right now. This one has yet to hit the algorithm on TikTok, but on the red platform, I have to use code language because TikTok is very unfriendly with the mentioning of other platforms. What's up? Yeah, we're creating some slop, going viral. I guess is a word that we can possibly use. I don't know. But anyway, yeah, what kind of stuff should we create? Should we stick with the tubby people falling through the floor? Because that is the winning formula right now on all the platforms that I posted it on. The algorithm loves tubby people falling through the floor. Let me see if I can pull up the stream here. In addition to... Okay, never mind. So whatever, we'll just because we have a Halloween theme going on. I really like the Halloween theme, but how can we incorporate Halloween into tubby people falling through the floor, you may ask? Well, that's a good question. I tried to create some things for the first time, but it's so restrictive with Sora's guardrails. I know. You just have to, like with this one, this Halloween one right here, it took me like three tries to like get the prompt to actually pass. So you need to like restructure the way you're saying things, because I was doing like initially, like with these, I was doing I wanted him to be like stuck in the shopping cart. Obviously it didn't look too well. Ghouls and goblins eating the tubby people. You're on to something here. Ghouls and goblins eating tubby people. How can we prompt that? In the pit? Like a ball pit, or just... Oh, I see what you mean. Like they they fall, make a giant pit or crater, and then they're just getting eaten by. I wonder. Or I'm thinking immediately my mind went to something, because one of the winning formulas is stuff that like initially seems real. So I'm thinking, playing off of what you suggested, someone getting jump scared. Yes, yeah, when they fall, exactly. So someone working in an environment, a big tubby dude, whether he's on a ladder or something, but like a goblin like jumps out, scares him like someone wearing a mask, and then he like falls, freaks out, and creates a crater. That's where my mind is going, because if we play off of something super like realistic almost, that's like one of the winning formulas, in addition to ridiculousness. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take this prompt and modify it, because I don't want to type a bunch. So we're going to go boom, raw footage of an extremely obese man standing on a tall ladder. And if you want to create stuff like this too, this is how I've been able to prompt this kind of stuff. Is extremely obese man standing on a tall ladder at Walmart hanging up Halloween decorations. He falls, creating a massive hole in the floor. The destruction in the floor spreads and things fall into it. Security camera footage, hyper realistic. Now what I'm going to do, we'll do that, and then his his coworker jumps out or surprises him. We'll do surprise him wearing. We'll do while wearing. Should we do Jason or Mike Myers? Let's do Mike Myers first. Mike Ale Myers. Is that how you spell it? Yeah. While wearing a Michael Myers mask. Oops. Okay. So we'll do this. I'm gonna copy this. Yeah, we'll do some Mike Myers. So we'll get that prompted, and I copied the prompt, so now we can do some iterations on it. Now we have a Walmart scene that's like almost believable, and of course we're running into guardrails. Raw footage. Wearing a. Why is it flagging it for that? Try that. Let's see. So far, so good. Bro, all these tubbies. It's killing me. Alright, I think we're good on this one. Usually it'll flag it within a few seconds. So yeah, Mike Myers. We're learning. Michael Myers is flagged, Mike Myers is not. So now let's do we could do like, I feel like those Ring camera videos do really well. Did you make these tubby videos? Yeah, these are all mine. You can check it out on TikTok too. That's like the platform that's doing the best. I mean, I have them here on YouTube too, but for TikTok, this one right here is at 148K right now. It's going nuts. So yeah, these videos, like, that's what I'm saying, like the perfect balance between realism, like almost being able to believe it initially. A lot of people do believe it, because even with the watermark and everything, but the believability, the ridiculousness, in addition to like the scene, basically, like the CCTV kind of security footage. Like, it just, that is the winning formula for me right now. All right, let's check this out. Okay, not what I had in mind. So we're gonna have to prompt this a little bit better. But I like how it actually knows what the mask looks like. Cool. So let's get this. Actually, we already have that. Ooh. Oops. So I'm thinking if he's like working in an aisle, like moving big rolls of toilet paper, he like moves one over and then he gets scared and then he just falls. So to prompt this, standing on a tall ladder at Walmart, hanging up, we'll do putting or ooh. We'll do organizing. Toilet paper. His coworker surprises him. Or let's do as he moves the product, one of his coworkers surprises him. I think it should know. I think it should know what I'm talking about here. Like he moves it, and then he gets jump scared. We'll just try this. Hopefully we don't get any guardrails. Where'd it go? Of course. Yo, what's up, Schlings? Schlings? My brother. We're hitting some guardrails here with Sora. Organizing just food, snacks. I'm doing well, brother. I'm tired. I'm gonna go to bed in like an hour, but I need to get some content going for tomorrow. I be on Suno. That's what I'm saying. I love to hear it, bro. Are you just doing it for fun, or like have you actually distributed your music to Spotify and whatnot? Because I would highly recommend you do that if you haven't. Suno's so much fun. A little side tangent too. All this music that we're listening to here on stream is made with Suno, and this is my 24-hour live stream channel. Radio station type shit. You make real music? That's bro. Oh, excuse me. Have you fed Suno any of the stuff that you've created, like any chord progressions or even lyrics? Oh, okay, yeah, bro. That's perfect. Idea creation for sure. Writer's block does not exist with AI. So we'll just do organizing Halloween candy. Do boxes of Halloween candy. Boom. I usually feed it half of a song, like a verse or my chorus, then it helps me write the other verse. It's a good workflow. Are you paying for the, like, have you used the V5 model at all? Because it is incredible. I don't know why we're hitting so many guardrails right now. Oh, right on. Where's your, like, what kind of music do you produce? I'll check it out. Assuming you produce music. If it's like live music or something. If you're a guitarist or something like that. Is your stage name Schlings? Oh, I think we got flagged. Yep. Okay. Concerning third-party likeness. Okay, so it's flagging the Michael Myers mask. Which is strange, because that shouldn't be. Let's try Jason Voorhees. Or we'll just do a, like, spooky mask. We'll keep it general. We'll see what it comes up with. Spooky... We'll just do spooky. I was gonna say, like, demon or something like that. Used to do VTube. Oh, okay, so you used to be a VTuber. Why'd you stop? Okay, now we're hitting a different guardrail. Wearing a Halloween mask. Are they just tightening the guardrails because these prompts were working earlier? Looks like we just hit another guardrail. How annoying. So he moves the product. One of his coworkers surprises him. I stopped because I ran out of time for it, to be honest. But I might do it again. I don't know. I would encourage you to do it again. I'm encouraging myself to live stream consistently. So I get it. It's hard when, you know, you got so much going on in life. Yeah, dude, no joke. It's just kind of annoying. I wonder... Alright, I'm going to test something real quick. Just going to reuse this prompt as is, just to see if it's gotten more restrictive. Okay, I think we're good. Not gonna lie, I be boring when I stream, and it's hard to talk to myself when there isn't chat. I get that, for sure. Yeah. Where do you stream at? Do you do YouTube or Twitch? Which I should probably be careful with saying those words, because I'm multi-streaming right now, and TikTok is very, very strict with other platforms being mentioned. Okay. Do you do with YouTube? I assume, since you're watching this, you stream on the vertical format too, right? Because that's how you get really good discovery. I know. Yeah, TikTok is... I hated TikTok for the longest time until literally like a month ago, because my AI Slop videos were taking off. Yeah, you're not missing on much, Raven. Unless you want to create content, like I would avoid TikTok altogether. Horizontal, but I have overlays and music for it. So I currently on the red platform, YouTube. I don't care if I get deplatformed on TikTok, actually, now that I'm thinking about it. But anyways, I'm streaming to YouTube, Facebook, and TikTok. But I'm streaming to YouTube horizontal and TikTok or YouTube vertical. So you can set up two different layouts on OBS. So you can actually hit both algorithms, because they operate on separate algorithms. And do I worry about their privacy policies? To be honest, I haven't really read much, but I do know ByteDance, the company that owns. Oh man, I love it. I know the company that owns TikTok, like they train AI models on your data. Same with Meta, like Facebook and Instagram, they use your data to train their models. So I know that much, but I haven't really read everything. But at least these prompts still work. Yeah, it's called, what is it called? Like Atom Multistream. It's a OBS plugin. It's completely free. And you can have, you can set up multiple streams, and then you can stream horizontal and vertical at the same time. I sell my data to China. Fuck it. Yep. Same. At least my AI generated slop data. My tubby's falling through the floor. But this is good. So our prompt still works. So now we just need to modify this just enough so we can get the jump scare aspect. So I'm wondering, hanging up Halloween decorations. His coworker surprises him while wearing, let's do like a wolf mask. Let's see if that works. Nice, I'll check that out. It's happening already, so why not make money? I sell my video and music viewing data. Yep, not bad side money. It will steal all your AI slop. Yep. I mean, as long as they're giving me the views. Oh my goodness. Why is this getting flagged? All I did was add this. I know they're gonna steal my slop. One thing I do like about YouTube and Facebook though is they'll pay you for the reels. I know TikTok will pay you as well, but you need like 10,000 followers, but they also need to be like a certain length. Whereas my videos are like 4 to 10 seconds long. And it's not a ton of money. It's like, I think I made like $1 off of one of these videos yesterday. But getting paid for something that you enjoy creating is always a bonus, regardless of how much it is. But yeah, they can have my AI slop, train their AI with it, as long as I'm getting exposure, right? It's the name of the game. His coworker surprises him while wearing a mask. I'm just gonna keep it as general as possible. I don't know why this is being flagged. I just need to like get these other videos out of here, because I just can't keep looking at them. Alright, we're just gonna have to recreate this. Tall ladder outside of his home. We'll do ring camera. Ring security camera. Hanging up Halloween decorations. We'll do like a raven attacking him or something. A raven swoops. Yeah, I'm getting inspired by Raven Starfire here. A raven swoops down, and I don't know if I can use the word attacks. I'll do pesters. Pesters him. He falls, creating a massive hole in the floor. Hopefully this works. Okay, so far so good. Let's go. Oh man. I need to get... The only problem with multi-streaming though is it is kind of a pain in the ass to set up. Okay, this one works. Beautiful. Progress. Hopefully it looks good. In the meantime, I'm going to delete all these other tubbies. Yeah, I was just gonna do like an uncanny, like just a fat dude stuck in a shopping cart with people just walking by. But I decided, wait, instead of that, let's just recreate the winning formula of them falling through the floor. Make him overdose on something. It's like like people just walking down the street, and there's just like a dude, like big old fat dude, just OD'd on the side of this, on the sidewalk with Ozempic bottles all over. Bro, that's actually a good idea. It's terrible. Yeah, what is the whole 67 shit? I have not been following that at all. I just see it. Is that like the point of it? Like it's just so random that it's... What the Why? Okay. Close. He's hanging up Chris. Oh, he had a he had a little skeleton that he was hanging up. I don't like how the bird's just stationary, so we're gonna reprompt that. We'll do a raven swoops down. Yeah, we already have a raven swoops down. Let's try it again. Oh, it's a song. 67. He said, baby shark, I popped the perk, I popped the blue. Really? That's why interesting. The internet. What? This is the same prompt. I didn't change anything. Yeah, it reminds me of Skibbity Toilet. Do, baby shark, I popped the perk, I popped the blue. I want to know like how stuff like that just gets mega viral. I'm in school for audio engineering, and it baffles me what music doesn't go viral and what does. For sure. Yeah. A lot of it's just marketing, and yeah, it's so crazy, dude. What are your thoughts on AI music as an audio engineer? How do you feel about AI music? Like when you analyze some of these songs, it's just like no effort. Yeah. Yeah, that's... Yeah, my stance on music's pretty... I don't know. I don't know how to even say that. But as long as like... Because there's literally unlimited possibilities when it comes to music. So even something that's absolutely garbage, it is a piece of art. I don't like garbage art. I don't like garbage music, especially if it has... Why is Steam updating? It's definitely a tool, but not music. Music is art and human error. That's what makes music great, but it's a good tool. I don't hate it. Okay, I respect that. I respect it. Me personally, like even with this stuff, art for me is like existence. So the entire vibe that I can imagine, like with AI, like I'll create a song and then that song will put a vision into my mind, and then I can just create that vision with prompts. So I get what you're saying with like it not really having much creativity, or rather it being just a tool, but it's not a replacement for creativity. Oh, what's up, Adelaide? Long time no see. I have not been streaming as much as I should be. But yeah, have a good night. Thanks for popping in. I should be going live tomorrow, so I'll see you then if you're up. Oh my goodness, there we go. Oh no. The stairs just kind of explode on their own. But that we're getting somewhere. I like how it says ring.com. That's crazy. All right, have a good night. I'll see you later. Bro, isn't that crazy? It literally says ring.com. All right. At least we know that this works. Even though this is the same prompt that didn't work at first. So let's plug this bad boy in there. He falls, creating a massive hole in the ground. Like an absolute crater. A massive crater. Blue crater. Destruction in the ground. Boom. Yeah, it's crazy. And one of the best, one of the reasons that this stuff goes viral is even in the title, even with the watermark, I say, you know, it's AI. I mark it as AI generated. And people still in the comments are arguing about, oh no, this is AI, oh, AI. It's like, yes, it is AI, but those comments get engagement, and it shows the algorithm, hey, people are engaging with this, let's show this to more people. So just the fact that it's like believable and realistic, people just can't help but be like, oh yeah, no, this is AI, and it's good for the algorithm. Everyone is going to make the same argument when they switched from tape machines to computers to record as well. So in that case, I view AI as an effect that can amplify a production. Exactly. It just eliminates the barrier of entry for creating what you envision. But with AI music, with Suno, it's kind of like gambling. Like, you can prompt it as much as you want, but you can't like get exactly what you want most of the time, unless you do have some musical inclination. You can create like a chord progression and then feed it to that. So it is a tool, 100%. It doesn't replace creativity. It fuels creativity. But if you use it like how you're using it to remove any writer's block and get inspiration, or even how I use it is to just have fun with it, and then it gives me inspiration for like the visual elements that I like to create, which usually I do, but right now, you know, Tubbies is what I'm doing when it lets me. Oh my goodness, brother, get out of here, Sam Altman. Your guardrails. I like how the tree leaves move in the background. Seriously though. And just like that, the plants, and it's just the stairs. They just explode on their own. So we're getting close. I'm going to reprompt this as many times as I need to. We're going to make this work. Oh, of course, another guardrail. That was quick. Maybe. Oh, 100%. You can take it to another level, especially if there's like a sound. Like, a lot of the times it'll surprise me. Like, oh wow, that's actually really good, but I don't like this part. But then you can like take that and then add that to the prompt, you know, create like a cover of that, and then just kind of like fine tune it in that aspect. See, it's crazy because there's like an art to doing that, like prompting it, like putting your thoughts into words. Like there's an art to prompting, as much as people don't like to admit that. Like even this is a very basic prompt, but just need to dance around the guardrails a little bit better. Yeah, it does. Suno stems out every track if you want it to. It's insane. So I used to produce music back in 2014, like right out of high school. But I just wasn't very good. Like I wasn't terrible, but I wasn't good enough to make a career out of it. It was just more like a hobby. So now with Suno, I've given it like a lot of my old tracks, and it's insane what it's, you know, given back. And then just the fact that yes, we can, you know, get the stems and everything and master it and even add to it, like make it, like have it build the puzzle pieces, and then we can rearrange those pieces how we see fit. It's insane. True. Yep. After you get stems, you can chop it up in a DAW, but having a computer understand your internal thoughts, that is an art. Literally. Ooh, and it's so crazy too, because everything is like AI is making everything just come down to prompting, like being able to put your thoughts into words and think like a programmer, or not even like a programmer, but just to articulate your thoughts. Like that is like it's blurring the line on everything. So prompting is huge, but you need ideas, you need creativity, and then you need to be able to put that creativity into readable language. It's just crazy time to be alive, isn't it? Absolutely nuts. Except when you're running into this shit. Like I just want my tubbies, bro. I just want my tubby videos. Well, we got a few generations from this prompt. I'm just gonna have to recreate it. Different scene. Raw footage of an extremely obese man. Standing on a tall ladder. He gets scared. Yeah, you can't have no ideas and then have AI make you something. There were times I would spend hours promoting to an FX sound. Just a little 4-second clip. Oh, prompting. Yeah. Yeah. What DAW do you use? Do you use FL Studio? The GOAT? Or Ableton? We'll do by a cat. I record in FL, I make beats in Ableton, then I do film stuff in Pro Tools. Man, so you're just all over the place then. Interesting. How long you been producing for? Yeah, you should definitely start streaming again, dude. Were you streaming your music creation process? Is that what you were streaming, or were you streaming like games and stuff? this over here so I can actually see our TikTok, our TikTok fam. I record enough. A few years, but I'm trying to go into film for work. You stream games, okay? Man, yeah, bro, AI can help you with all of that. I'm sure you know it. Be loud so that I can coom. Rohan, what an interesting thing to say, my brother. Out of pocket. Bit out of pocket, my brother. Wanted to separate everything, just so I'm not a VTuber music artist. I just wanted my artist stuff, then my game stuff. That's fair. That's something that I was doing too. Like I just had everything in one channel. Like my AI education stuff, because that's what this channel is centered around. But also like self-improvement content, because that's what I like to talk about. Then also music stuff regarding AI. But yeah, if you can separate everything but still keep it like in one ecosystem, like these live streams are on my main channel, but like I'm utilizing everything else, right? So yeah, no, I get that for sure. But oh, hold up. Okay, that's not bad. But it's not like I want them to fall through like the planet. Cause I'm not ashamed of it, but it definitely sets a precedent about the music before it's heard. I could just be overthinking though. Bro, yeah. Overthinking, definitely. As an overthinker myself, yes. Like you can keep things separate, like just have like a main channel and then like a gaming channel. Your main channel, you know, you're the VTuber creating music and whatever else you want to talk about, and then just the gaming and stuff too. But then again, there are people who get away with just doing everything under one channel. So there's no right answer to it. The trap is thinking that there is just one way to do things and then just overanalyzing and never taking action. We have some more good prompts. So let's do boom. All right. I don't love it though, because it's not as like unexpected as a dude falling through. This one is just so good. Maybe like a restaurant. I'm gonna re-roll this one more time. We'll see what we get, and then we'll do Streamy Obese Man sitting at a bar, or sitting in a bar stool at a restaurant. Restaurant. Oh, I actually spelled it right. Oh my goodness. It's one of the hardest words. Yeah, I've fallen into that trap of overanalyzing and not taking action. Nah, you got a good ass point. Bro, I'm just speaking from experience, dude. Like overanalyzing shit. Like being analytical is good, but if it's getting you to the point where you're just not taking action, like then it's a bad thing. And like I said, I'm just speaking from experience, especially with YouTube. It's like I want it to be like this. I want it to be perfect. Like perfection's another thing, but yeah, just take action, brother. Smoking an Ozempic vape with 6-7 on it. Ooh. All right, I'm gonna do that. This one got flagged, so I'm gonna prompt this, and then I'm gonna do what you're saying, because that's a good idea. An Ozempic vape. Sitting on a bar stool at a restaurant. He leans back and falls. Creating a massive hole in the floor. The destruction in the floor spreads and things fall into it. We'll do just security camera footage. Raw footage of an extremely obese man sitting in a bar stool restaurant. Okay. This should be good. If it's not good, I'll just take the prompt from this, because this is basically... Let me just do this real quick. And of course we're getting flagged. Falls out of his chair in a restaurant. Around the restaurant. Okay, we'll do that. And then Ozempic vape with 6-7 on it in Waffle House. So are you allowed to use all these cameos freely to TikTok? Are you talking like these ones here? Because I haven't used any cameos yet. I haven't played with that. I need like to download it on my phone to be able to create one. But yeah, I see these things on... I don't scroll much on TikTok, to be honest. So I can't say that I've seen these on TikTok, but I've seen them on Instagram and Facebook. Especially the Jake Paul ones. And I can't remember his name, but like the handicapped dude. And Stephen Hawking. A lot of Stephen Hawking ones. So yeah, smoking an Ozempic vape with 6-7 on it. Let's try that. Ooh. Let's see. How do we prompt this? The raw footage of an extremely obese man sitting in Waffle House. Smoking on a... We're gonna have to prompt this a few times, because I'm sure we're gonna hit some guardrails with this, because I've never done anything regarding smoking or vaping. But smoking on a tube of Ozempic. Yo, what's up, Rev? Rev in the house. How are you doing, brother? We're creating some out-of-pocket, tubby nonsense. Some slop. Smoking on a tube of Ozempic. A tube. This will have to be like a micro shot, like a close-up shot, so that we can read that. Doing good. About to go to sleep, man. Almost done moving all my stuff into my storage. Oh yeah, I forgot you were doing that. Been a crazy last 2 weeks. Bro, you're making moves. You're making moves, brother. You got what, like 10 months left until you're going to the Philippines? Tube says 67 on it. Close up micro shot. Alright, let's just see how this looks. I have no idea what kind of results we're gonna get with that. So far so good. So far so good. Yeah. Stephen Hawking and Michael Jackson. Yeah, dude, I saw there was one with like someone hitting a dab rig, and I don't even, like I said, I've never done anything smoking, but I would imagine that would be hit with some guardrails, but then again. Oh my goodness, yes. Yes. Why is it so warped though? That looks so weird. But bro, what the fuck? All right, I want some more variations of that. That's good. Like that's almost perfect, but it's too fisheye. The whole place goes, it literally, like the reality just warps. So let's see if we can't get a better version of that. But that's pretty funny. Oh, this stuff is retarded. I love it. Let's see. Ooh, actually. Man, oh man. We need more Ozempic. Oh yeah. That one's cooking. So I just need to see like what what kind of generation we're getting with this prompt, and then I'll modify the prompts a bit more depending on what we get. Do Chuck Norris towing or throwing? Towing planes or throwing planes? Have you seen the cops pulling over cats while they're driving? Yeah, those are good. I saw there's a creator on Instagram who did like cops arresting like a big thing of fried chicken. It's crazy out of pocket nonsense. Tro? What does tro mean? Like towing? Like towing, like pulling it? You have to speak American, Rev. I'm a dumb American. I don't know what that means. That's a fancy word. No, you're good. No, you're good, man. Throw, yeah. So like throwing airplanes. We'll play with something like that. I wonder if we could get away with doing some Chuck Norris stuff. Alright, where's our generation? Our Ozempic. Oh my. Dang it. Like that's...
Tastes like nothing though. Helps me take the edge off and keeps the sugar low, they say.
Oh my
Tastes like nothing.
Yes. All right. That is good. Good recommendation, man. And I've had the volume muted for all these, so I'm gonna. Oh my. Okay. Oh my. Oh. That's all. It's so stupid, dude. Oh my gosh. Alright. So first, I think I already copied this, but I'm gonna copy this again.
Helps me take the edge off and keeps the sugar low, they say.
Brilliant. Alright. Smoking on a tube of Ozempic. The tube says 67 and Ozempic. I want that to be Ozempic on it. Close up, micro shot. Yes, some smoke. Ooh, trampoline would be a good idea too. He just gets fucking launched and then just. Oh, yeah, we gotta play with that too. Damn, boys. We got a lot of ideas. Close up micro shot. Smoke. We'll do like blowing smoke. Smoking on a tube of Ozempic. And blowing smoke. The tube says 67 and Ozempic on it. Alright. Let's see what we get with that. This one's decent, but it's like everything falls apart like procedurally after like that. I don't like that, but I love how fat he is. So we'll re-roll that. Restaurant. Everyone and everything collapses as the floor caves in. Tube said 67 in Ozempic and is visible. Me.
Say.
Let's get some more versions of that going. Visibly. The tube visibly says. Alright, let's see what we get with that. Man, oh man. I love AI. AI slop, gentlemen. That guy was like struggling to. Oh my goodness. Oh, bro, I really like this one. I'll probably cut it if I do use this. Like about like right there. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah, Rev, we gotta do your trampoline idea. So let's use, we'll use this as a basic, it's a standard baseline prompt. Do security, we'll do like backyard footage. Backyard footage, hyper realistic raw video, an extremely obese man is jumping on a trampoline. He accidentally jumps too high, or he launches too far. We'll just do he launches off of the trampoline and onto the ground. He creates a massive crater, and the earth separates and crumbles. Should he be jumping on a trampoline at like a birthday party? Gets propulsed. He is. Ooh. Man, I think if we do like a backyard birthday party kind of thing. Oh my. Bro, what the fuck? Oh, it's ridiculous. All right, trampoline at a backyard. Wait, at a birthday party. He launches off the trampoline and onto the ground. All right, let's see what we get with this. Modify it as we see fit. Oh my. What is Steam doing? Get out of here. Oh my goodness. Breaks the sound barrier, creates a sonic wave boom and cloud after it leaves the atmosphere. Oh. Hold up. I wonder, because I've never used a reference image. Like, I don't know if we can. But if we can, I'll just create the starting frame in Nano Banana. So we get like a clear picture of a man smoking and it's simple. Hold on. Yep. We're gonna do that. Let me pull this up real quick. We are going to do it. The sound barrier. Let me. Just gonna
take the edge off and keeps the sugar low, they say.
That's brilliant too. I might have to prompt that. Takes the edge off and keeps the sugar low. And Ozempic. Yeah, I'll pull this up so you guys can see what I'm doing. Just like that. Aspect ratio, we want 9:16. We'll see what we get with this. Keeps the sugar low, they say. Like, that is... Bro. What do you say? Should we use this? Needs to be fatter. Oh, good point. Needs to be fat as a mother sucker. Raw footage of an extremely obese man. Okay, well, I'll think we'll just reprompt that or re-roll that. Cops using donuts as handcuffs. How did I miss that? That's good too. He needs to jiggle when he walks. Oh man. I wonder. I'm just going to try this because I've never used a frame or a reference image before. Let me just remove the watermark real quick. I've never used a reference image for Sora, so I don't even know how possible it is, if it even is possible. That's good enough. So we'll go boom, get that out of here, move this over here, then, oh my goodness. What the fuck? What was that slow motion? Oh my gosh. That's just stupid. So, see if we can't get something better. But yeah, let's get the get this in here. Oh wait. Actually, okay. Sweet. Hopefully that works. Because if it does, then we are. Oh no. Dang it. Yeah, we currently do not support uploads of images containing photorealistic people. I wonder how VO3 would do something like this. I'll pull up VO3 real quick. I'm gonna go to bed in like 10 minutes, but we're gonna get some stuff. And I'll start the stream earlier tomorrow, so we actually have time to create some stuff. But yeah, it's my bedtime. But we'll get this into VO. Pull this over here. Bada bing, bada boom. We'll do portrait. That frames to video, starting frame, upload this, boom, 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 boom. Cool. So we have VO3. Let's put that over on the side for now. So no photorealistic people, but we could do animated people. Like, we could do some cool stuff. Not necessarily funny stuff, but... Bro. Oh my goodness. Oh, what a time to be alive. Something went wrong. Don't give me that. We're under heavy load. Oh. Don't give me that. What the fuck? Okay, so something like this would be better with VO for sure. Does that say 57? Oh, our reference image said 57. Bro, I'm gonna make this really good. VO3 is gonna be perfect for that. So with that in mind, let's. So I'm gonna see how this one turns out, and then we'll call it. Bro, yeah, this is gonna be a good one. Cause I'll change the reference image too, so he's way more fat, and then it's actually a better setting too. Yeah, that's gonna be funny. Make him hit it and go. My collar's blue, my neck is red. Oh, I like that. My collar's blue, my neck is red. Ooh. Can make like a my collar's blue, my neck is red. I'll stop eating fast food when I'm dead. Something like that. Yeah, this didn't work out too well. I'll have to play with this. Why is it doing slow motion? What the f... Yeah, that is... It's newfangled meme amongst us youngsters. Amongst the youngsters. The collar's blue thing. Oh, okay. I mean, it's clever. Collar's blue, my neck is red. You got all the memes. But yeah, I'm gonna end the stream, gentlemen. I'll be on here tomorrow. Like I said, I'll be on here earlier so we can actually get some stuff going. But I just wanted to take action, you know. I told myself I was gonna stream regularly, and I fell off schedule, so I forced myself to do it tonight. So we're gonna do this regularly. Rev, you have a good night. You too, Schlings. It was nice to meet you, man. Thanks for hanging out. It's been a pleasure, gentlemen. God bless you. I will see you tomorrow.